Hello guys, today we discuss about the Ohm law. V is equal to IR is the mathematical form of the Ohm law. If you can see here, the voltages, the most of the voltages are passing through the low resistance, and some of the voltages are passing through the high resistance. And so by this you can also understand the definitions of voltages and current, that the yellow are the voltages, you can say, and the speed, the pressure with which it's flowing, it's called current. If you will see here is 1 ampere, it means the pressure of the flow of electrons is high, it means current is high in this branch. And the pressure of the flow of electrons is low in this branch, it means the current is low because of the high resistance and because of the low resistance. If we see the mathematical form, V is equal to IR, then it means voltage is directly proportional to the current in the forms when resistance remains constant. But here the resistances are not constant, it means they are not directly proportional. And if you rearrange the equations, then uh, you can say the current is directly proportional to the voltages when the 1 over resistance is remains constant. Okay, this is the definitions of Ohm law and its implementing using the this circuitry you can easily understand. Thank you.